Hey guys, so today we are gonna unbox this E.L.F Putty bronzer and it has been lying on my table since a long time, so today I thought I will be trying this out. Actually, I didn't buy this but I got it as a free gift with my camo concealer. Yeah, so I'm trying it out with you guys. I won't lie, मैंने इसको swatch करके देखा हुआ है, but this is how the product looks like. First thing first, it's a creamy bronzer. Claims to be a creamy bronzer, but it settles into a matte finish. Just like the strobe cream, जैसे उसमें थोड़े से mild shimmer particles होते हैं for the luminosity. It's exactly the same. It's में exactly same वही चीज़ें हैं. So it's just like a strobe cream but in a bronzing form. ज़्यादा एक luminosity सा, एक reflecting सा effect दे रहा है. So I think I'm gonna take it with the brush only. I'm gonna make a pout. Ooh. I love this. मैंने बेस पे कुछ नहीं लगाया, इट्स जस्ट द कंसीलर एंड ब्रॉन्जर नाउ. ये कंसीलर भी मैंने एल्फ का ही लगाया है एंड such a great summery warmish shade. Oh my god. I want to apply it on my forehead a bit. Ooh, you guys can see it's way, pigmented. It's way pigmented. I'm gonna just bronze my cheeks completely. I love bronzing sometimes. I don't know how it looks in the camera, but I think I'm really liking this effect. कैमरा में थोड़ा सा आई थिंक शार्प लगेगा बट इट्स बॉम्ब. काफ़ी प्यारा इफेक्ट दिया इसने रियल में, तो कैमरा में थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लग रहा है बट नॉट इन रियल. लाइकिंग इट. टेकिंग अ बिट ऑफ इट अगेन. Should I apply it on nose? I should try that. Ooh, wow. It's giving such great definition to the face. Wow, I like it. Wow, such a beautiful bronzy look. It comes great in camera. I think I like this product. What do you guys feel about this on my face? Please let me know in the comment section below and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.